Hello guys, today I will demo BR100 photo sensor light on and dark on wiring. Here is an external relay to test this function. This relay 24 VDC relay. This one light on function, when receiver receive light from the reflected object, it will trigger an output. When white wire control connect to blue wire, it will be light on. In addition, when white control connect to 12 VDC, it will become dark on.
0 volt is blue color. This one normally open or light on. Okay, if you connect white color to 20 for VDC red color. This wiring will be normally closed dark on. Mean you need to short the control white. The white wire with 0 volt. Okay, now I will change to light on. White color. Control. I change the white color wire. Now this one became dark on function. Without object detection, output is always on. Now I try my hand as detection object. Okay, now output off. The output always on until it detect my hand. Off. This one is a dark on or normally close. Okay, I change this white wire to OVDC. It will become normally open or light on function. The output will be off if no object detection. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.